All right, fam. Yeah, it's Michael calling here once again. This is for you if you are the type of people that organize WhatsApp tradings. Maybe you are an online coach, you are an online marketer, you are an alpha marketer, online marketer, any other things. Just organize WhatsApp tradings. So I want to teach you how you can organize more online tradings and close more people. Like, for example, you have free trainings or you have organized WhatsApp trainings and you have a lot of people inside, but you are finding it difficult to engage these people, or probably they are just there, they are dormant, they are not responding to your messages, they are not doing anything. So this is for you. So the first thing I want you to understand is like everything revolves around public speaking. Like if you are a public speaker, you won't have so much problems when it comes to teaching online, when it comes to everything. So I want you to see yourself as a public speaker that want to deliver a speech. So when you're starting a WhatsApp training, always start with an open mind question. Maybe you want to start with a question, want to start with the facts, or you want to start with a story. These are the three pillars of public speaking. Like you can start with a question, you can start with a story, or you can start with facts. Story like I was coming from blah 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 blah, or in 2020 this and this happened, or 3 days ago I was with my brother. So when you start with story like this, people tend to pause and listen to what you are saying. Then if you are starting with a question, let's say you want to organize a training on public speaking, you want to tell people how to speak publicly. I speak confidently, like without them racking their brain on what to say and how to say the crap. So you start with a question like, okay, what exactly is public speaking? Can anybody tell us what public speaking is and all of them? So they will now be the ones to respond. At least you have like two, three people to reply. Some people might not get it correctly, some might get it correctly. So you want to engage them first. When you engage them, you move them from just a dormant random group members to people that feel like people that don't reply your message, people that don't share the groups, they will hardly pay because they are just there doing nothing. Although some people are following silently, there are some members like that, they will never reply your message. They will just be following. But when people respond to your group's trainings, that is when most people will share the class. They see like, okay, what is this like? In as well that people are responding, that means the class is kind of interesting. You grab. So you want to make sure that you have lots of engagement. This also works on your WhatsApp status. This also works on maybe even in any type of online trainings, maybe online webinars or maybe WhatsApp trainings or WhatsApp classes you grab. So this one will always start with engagement. Start with engagement. So when you engage them rather, then you work on your offer. Like you start with the engagement, you deliver so well, beautifully well that you'll be like, oh, thank you so much. This I really learned a lot. I really learned this and that. You grab. So from there, you now work on your offer. Like most people just feel like, okay, I will create a very beautiful flyer. Beautiful flyer is not enough. Oh. Like me, I'm handsome like this. That doesn't mean that you automatically like me because I'm handsome. You grab. So you need to work on what they are getting. You grab because you're having a beautiful face on your flyer. You are smiling on your flyer like this. That doesn't mean that people will just buy. People buy because of the offer. That is what move the needle you grab. Your offer is one of the most important thing in your online trainings. So share this to someone that might need this. One, work on your engagements, work on your flyer, then work on your offer. Cheers.